Okay, so now let's start with what Pixel is and everything that you need to know, like possibly available out for Pixel, like चलता कैसे है, क्या क्या track करता है, and whatsoever needed, and how did we put Pixel to a great use while running the ad, like for our UK client. So, okay, so first of all, like first things first, what a pixel basically is. So to break this down, I have used a analogy. To break this down, I have made cut. So basically, as you know, like, okay. So basically, what pixel is? Pixel, आप लोग पिक्सल को you can consider it as a website का security guard. Nothing better than that. हाँ, exactly. So this is consider you walk in a store and there is a security guard who is walking with you everywhere you go, whichever aisles you walk into the store, the guard is following you. So, and that guard is not only just following you, he's keeping a track of all your activities right from entering the store, viewing the products, and if you're adding to cart, if you're putting the things in the cart, he is tracking that. And if you go over to the counter to bill it, he's tracking that. And every action of yours is basically tracked by this guard, and he keeps a note of everything. So basically, Pixel does the same for all your website traffic. जो भी visitors, जो भी customers आपकी website पे आते हैं, Pixel keeps a track of all those things. So basically, अगर आप Facebook ads को एक human body मानते हो, and in that scenario, Facebook, the Pixel is basically the blood of that human body. So that important Pixel is. I'm sure like you're getting the importance of Pixel. So if you don't have this, so technically you don't have any information about the customer. उसने आपके store पे आकर, उसने आपकी website पे आकर करा क्या? You don't know anything about that. Now, talking about what exactly is the importance of Pixel. So if you see over here, why do people call Pixel so important? Now, as you are aware, like it's 2022 and this year and so this year is basically you must have heard you must have heard that data is money today, and I'm going to prove this to you by the means of Pixel. How important is data to you or for any person who is running digital ads? So basically, if you see, you're paying Pixel to so basically, you are paying Facebook ads to Mark Zuckerberg to send traffic to your website, right? So technically now you should own that traffic. जो भी लोग, जो भी customers आपकी website पे आए हैं, you should have a record of whoever came to your website, because technically you have paid for that traffic. Now, Facebook understood this and they had this Pixel to like which was there to keep a track, to keep a record जो लोग आपकी website पे आए हैं. Now, if you have a Pixel kept on your store, if you have a Pixel attached to your store, you have a data tracker which is available on your store. And so technically, whosoever is walking now in your store, you're tracking on Pixel. And if you don't have a Pixel installed, so जो भी आप पैसे दे रहे हो, that data, that traffic is coming and going. So now talking about why is Pixel so important, like क्यों हर कोई इतना ज़्यादा बोलता है वेबसाइट पे पिक्सल होना चाहिए, उससे like बहुत ज़्यादा वैल्यू है. It is actually technically, if you see, Pixel is gold for us, for all advertisers, all digital people. Why? As you have heard, data is money. And I'm going to prove this to you with the help of Pixel. Why people say कि data आज पैसा बन चुका है? It's because let's say you know you're running ads. So you are basically paying money to Mark Zuckerberg, to Facebook, to send traffic, to send people on your website. Now, if you can't keep a track, कि आज मेरी दुकान में कितने लोग आए, और हाउ मेनी पीपल एडेड प्रोडक्ट्स टू द कार्ट, और any XYZ actions which any customer took on your website, then basically you spending money is going in vain, because you can't have a history, you can't have a track of what customer did, and you can't keep a track of your customer. So Pixel is now this is where Pixel comes into importance. Pixel helps you track everything which is happening on your store. Pixel helps you track, keep a record of all the visitors that are coming to your store. So basically, you are paying Facebook to buy, like you are technically buying that traffic from Facebook now. You have put your hard-earned money into paid, to getting the traffic, right, to your website, and you would want to use that traffic again and again. Why would you want to just pay Facebook once and uske baad wo data, wo traffic chala jaye? You don't want that. That's never the scenario. If I am paying Facebook once and I am getting 100 people, I want to show ads to those 100 people again and again. Let's say if I'm introducing new product, I again want to show those people, because those people are technically now I bought those people, right? So I bought that traffic. I should be able to show those people ads again and again. And this is only possible when you have a Pixel installed on your website. So basically, if you have a Pixel, you end up owning the data, you end up owning the traffic. So, and most important thing is, you end up using this data again in your remarketing campaign. अब वो remarketing campaign क्या है? That is more well explained in the $1.6 million core strategy वाला part में.